Oh, well, Darren from Wrayz Guitars. I'm on holiday. It's the middle of May 2025, and I've had 2 days off since Christmas. So, got a week off. Going on a road trip, and I'm 30 miles out, and I'm stuck in fucking traffic. Already. Anyway. This is what it's like riding in the, or driving even, in the south of England. But I'm on the way to meet my good mate Murph. Our rendezvous point is a cafe at Shoreham Airport, which I'm 6 miles away from, and I'm stuck behind this flipping lorry. And I can't get through because this bike's too wide. Oh, nothing through. Right, Mercedes is going to chop lanes without looking, because that's what people do. Oh, he might have seen me. Has he seen me? He's on his phone. Right. I know what that was all about. Cafe 8, that's right, I found it. Okay, follow my behind then.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, there's a big lorry. I'm not making that turn with that thing coming.
Haven't actually tried it yet.
So, yeah, I have. But you can actually, like, 2 up on the motorway, you can watch the gauge go down.
Nice.
It's like, oh, that's cheering some fuel.
Well, it has rather large pipes hanging out the back, which look quite kinky actually.
I quite like the kinky
oval,
pipes sticking out the back. Yeah.
They're nice.
Yes.
I do like your rear end.
These ones.
It looks very, very enticing.
Thank you.
Your gaping oval orifice. Oh, hello.
Oi! Oh, that's unlike you.
So,
I wasn't expecting that.
well, if it, you know, well, there's certain point. If I'm quite happy, I'll do it. It's just I'm a bit nervy of it all, like that.
No,
That's too
grip's
close.
bad.
and there's ripped.
This is true.
I don't like
You've got quite a voluptuous behind as well. And I like your big red light on your top box. Oh, it's definitely your bottom.
It's the only reason you come away is you can violate me. I know.
If you had like you know a high-speed camera, you know, like when they record a bullet going in slow motion. Now, if you had that on your anus right now, it would be clapping at the same rate as your ditch pump.
My anus. There's another one. There's another one.
No, look, those ones can walk. They look like the doozies from Fraggle Rock.
Just plodding along. I don't mind plodding along.
It's alright.
It's alright on this.
Yeah. I think when you come from like the big powerful bikes, well these are big and powerful but in a different way that we've been used to, they feel at this speed, they feel like they're going, come on, this is not my speed. And it makes
the Tiger was kind of uncomfortable almost.
Yeah. It just like it's going, I want to go a fair bit quicker than this to be good, but this is just like go on in.
Yeah, I could definitely do Route 66. Just plodding. Thing is, if you want to do speed, you have a sports bike or something quick, didn't you?
Yeah, but I think it's all become a bit irrelevant now because like there's so much traffic. Well, in the UK anyway, there's so much traffic and the potholes and the bad road surfaces. These sports bikes are so uncomfortable. I think they've lost their relevance now, to be honest. And they, you know, they make your knees hurt and your wrists hurt. And
it's just because you're old.
Yeah, there is that. But going through a pothole on any bike is terrifying. But you do it on a sports bike, and it. I'm at peace with being a Harley rider. I like it.
Well, it's your fault anyway.
I know. Do. Are you ready? Oh, horses. Who'd have thunk it? I don't like them this close. I'm gonna wait. Was it here last time there was a herd of cows or something walking up the road? It was, wasn't it? Yes, it. Well, we can still do that. That's alright, it didn't, it was just we were circling each other. Right, we've got 3 miles until we turn off of this road. I'll tell you.
Oh, my giddy arm. Oh, don't make me laugh too much. Oh.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, that's exactly what I didn't want.
There he
And then
goes.
Mum's going to come belting
There he
after
goes.
him. Oh, don't run away from your mummy. Go on.
Oh, yeah, look.
Here's Mum.
Oh, fuck me.
Don't just sit in the road. Come on,
Oh,
chaps.
I'm going to stop.
Oh, fucking hell. No, it's going back the other way.
Oh, no. Oh, fuck off there.
I'm wary of them. Oh,
I don't like horses.
yeah. Here we go. Right, all good.
I don't...
No, it's down. There it is. Here it is. Here it is.
Yeah, fuck off.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because you missed it last time, didn't we?
Oh, at least it's a paved road.
Fucking horses.
Yeah.
Well, this is, isn't it? I just want to find somewhere nice to park it, so I don't have to fight or wrestle, or worry about wetness in the morning. Not on the ground, in my pants.
Yeah, there it was.
The only pothole in the road, and I found it.
Oh. Don't want to park on the gravel.
Hello, round hill. No, I'm not parking on the gravel. I'm going to park it by the hut. Well, yeah, in the road. Yeah, good plan. Good plan. Park it in the road.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll park it there.
Hello.
Oh, if I could find me neutral.
Can't hear you. Hello? Oh, right. Ooh. Right, you ready? Nice. Oh, it's warm. Yeah, I wouldn't normally wear normal shoes, but I just sort of couldn't do boots today.
Yeah, I'm getting hot feet already.
Follow the road to the main car park at the rear. Ooh, lots of bikes. I'm gonna go here. I thought it would be way louder than that. I do. I agree. That's very good. Right, you with me? All clear. Avoid oncoming vehicles. Okay. Oh, not you though. A ship in doesn't look like it's got a pub. Is that? Is it though? Don't really want to park in front of the machine. Okay. I might go there so we can ride straight out. Out, car coming out. Yeah, right as you turn in, isn't it? Oh. Thank you. There's cows. Do 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 do. Oh, it's lumpy here. They're coming. They're coming for you.
They're not.
Hide. Right. Yeah. And hot. Alright, let's ride. That amplifies very well through the headset. Oh, I could. It is. I have my mesh vents open and it's rather nice. Don't fall over, because I won't be able to pick you up again. Horses. Good Lord.
Yeah, I'm getting hot feet already.
All clear.
there's a neat old Murph coming up the left hand side. Here it comes. That's cool. I think that would be cool. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So I think you're going to have to put on your big auxiliary lights. No, they're not on. You've only got... Yeah, but they'd be really cool. I could watch it in the mirror as you come past. It would be a cool shot. Right. Okay, I'm coming by. Ah, yes. There they are. So as you come past, I shall watch in the mirror. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.